Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. We've got some very good trading strategies that allow you to make profits in specific market conditions. We're kind of concentrating on that aspect this month. Right now, as you can see, the Dow, after supporting at the 200, showing a Morningstar signal, double Doji setup, gap up. The fact that it's above the T line gives us the strong assumption we're in an uptrend. Now, that's also being confirmed by the NASDAQ that's been staying above the T line the whole way up. Now, we have a Doji up here in the overbought area. Doesn't tell you there's going to be a reversal, but it at least gives you a forewarning that if the market's open lower tomorrow, there's probably going to be some profit taking. That allows you to set up the best strategies for which sectors and which positions you want to be in. For example, the artificial intelligence stocks have been strong. AI had this fry pan bottom, big breakout. We took profits. Now it's pulled back and doing what we know is the classic pattern, where it does a J-hook pattern following a fry pan bottom. That's the normal assumption of what's going on in human nature. If this is wave one, this is wave two, wave three could have the same magnitude move as wave one. Now, the reason we can go after something like this, that this is one of the specific aspects of the trading strategies in market conditions, where right now artificial intelligence is being touted as being a terrible thing for mankind and a positive thing for business. What we can indicate or at least evaluate is, what does everybody think when they fight through all the rhetoric out there? What are they actually doing? So we can see that artificial intelligence and our position of PLTR has been strong, and there hasn't been any selling. And apparently today they got another major contract with the government that could continue this higher. What we're going to be doing, though, is illustrating about 7 different strategies that work effectively depending on market conditions. This is going to be a full day training on Saturday, June 10th, showing you which of these strategies. And I'm going to stress, but this isn't strategy to say this is what you should do, or this is what is a good strategy. What we're trying to illustrate is there's a number of good strategies, but what is more important is each investor figuring out what strategy they recognize and can utilize for their own trading. So anytime we see something like this, at least we know what type of strategy we can put into action, whether it's an option trade or shorting the stock itself. So when we see these type of actions, we now can tell people or train people on what should be the high probability expected result coming out of a dumpling top, big gap down, as is in our position right now in Dollar General. So again, the effective trading strategies aren't so that everybody has to learn them all. What everybody should be trying to find out is what works the best for them for their trading strategy, and or what they can see is a good strategy. They don't have to try to figure it out. It's kind of that natural trading instinct, or what we call a clairism, a derivative of clairvoyant, where somebody can see that trading strategy works well for them. What we want to do is identify the pattern, the breakouts, and then know what to do with that breakout situation. So join us Saturday. I think you'll get a lot of information that allows you to at least visually recognize what trading strategy works the best for you. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.